Okay, so Pioneer
Our brand of choice.
is here.
Look at that. What's that, Keith?
Well, let me tell you. It's a subwoofer box in a
Wow.
box without the box.
What size is it?
It's that size.
Does it matter? Size matters.
Pioneer matters. Look, I got the. Don't mind the gloves. I'm not touching it inappropriately. It's going to be okay.
So
So-
only get a pinch.
No pinch.
A little bit.
Trust me. Trust me. So Pioneer, 10-inch subwoofer.
Oh, you.
Hey, I'm a catcher.
Look at that.
It's ultra thin, so you can stick it in boxes like this. They go under your seat. It's got a little frisbee, just in case you want to play. Keeps it nice and safe as well. You want to catch?
Ow. Keith,
Oh my balls!
Keith, how many watts is it?
Well, let me tell you, it's all the watts. It matches up to this amplifier right here.
Pretty sick.
Boom. Chakalaka.
I love it. That's cool.
Yes.
Get a pound!
Do you want one? Pound you?
I will like one.
Pound you now?
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh.